This is Task 4 of the Aruba project, presented by Jordan Royko,
Catherine Morales,
and Cody Wood.
The first task we completed when making our own WLAN was resetting the controller and the access point. We are prompted to log in with the information given to us, and then given commands to restart the system. We changed the host name to controller 3, but kept the rest of the default options as is. Next, we configured VLAN 30 to have an IP address that matches that of the L2, L3 class switch. Finally, we add the licenses given for our table and reload our system. We are given an IP address of 10.1.30.150 with a prefix of 24. Using the Ethernet port, we connect our controller through our web browser using the IP address 10.1.30.100. Under the Configuration tab, we go to Controller Wizard and set the name to be Controller 3. We set the date, the time, and the time zone, and set the mode to be standalone.
Next, we add a new VLAN with an ID 32. We use our group name Rogue1 for the VLAN name. Our IP address will be 10.1.32.2 with a prefix of 24. In order for our WLAN to be functioning, the DHCP settings need to be set to act as a server. The DHCP pool should be configured as shown. Our controller IP address should be that of VLAN 30, and our default gateway should be 10.1.30.1. We set our native VLAN to 30, but add VLANs 30 and 32 for trunk mode. To configure the WLAN, we navigate to the WLAN LAN wizards page and select Campus Only. We add a new group, Master Controller 3, and a new WLAN, Rogue1, within that group. Rogue1 will be our WLAN name. We set VLAN 32 to be used for our network. For this page, we specify that our Wi-Fi network will be a WPA2 personal authentication with a pre-shared key.
Under the Monitoring tab, we check to see that we have one total up access point and that our SSID Rogue1 is found under the WLAN. Under AP Installation, we provision our access point. After the reboot, we go to the Monitoring tab to check that we have one total up access point and that our SSID Rogue1 is shown under WLAN on the left sidebar. We open our list of available networks and check to see if our Rogue1 SSID is on there. We can now connect to the internet via Rogue1.